Hi guys, so in this video we're going to be talking about a really important concept called inheritance. And what inheritance basically means that, like, for example, if you have a parent class and if you have a child class and the child class inherits from the parent class, then the child class will be able to access all the functions and variables and all the properties of the parent class, and that way you don't have to explicitly define those functions and variables in the child class. All you have to do is you can make, so like there can be multiple child classes that all inherit from the parent class, and you can just make a modification in the parent class and all the child classes will observe this effect. Now let me just apply this concept in a very practical example, right? So for example, I have this company called XYZ headquartered at Sylhet, and suppose I have like many offices in one in Chittagong, one in Dhaka, one in Khulna, right? And now I want to make a very fundamental change in the pricing policy of my product. And since all of the child classes inherit from me, all I have to do is I have to make the modification in the Sylhet headquarter parent class, and all the child classes, since they inherit from me, they will feel the effect, right? So this is a very powerful concept, and this will make sure that you can develop a really good and functional and scalable system, right, later on in your life. So let me just show you how we do it in Python, right? So let me just create a class. Let me call the class, okay, let me just create a file first. So creating a file, let me call it inheritance python.py. Okay, so let me just close the file. Okay, now let me just create a file. Let me call it let me create a class. Let me call the class father, and the father can have many functions. One function can be smack you, right? And the work of smack you, I can declare an instruction. I can say print you will not get an iPhone, right? Okay, and then I can have another function which is love you princess, and then I can say you get whatever you want, right? Okay, so now I have created a parent class called father, and then I have declared two functions, smack you and love you princess, functions that are within the class, right? And now I can do what I can do is I can create a child class that inherits from the parent class father, right? I can create a class called son that inherits from the father class, and this is how we do it, right? So now son a class, you don't have to explicitly define the functions that you have defined in the parent class, and now since son inherits all the properties from the parent class, it automatically will recognize all the functions and all the variables that are in the parent class, right? And now for the son class, you can just say pass, and pass basically means a null statement. It doesn't do anything, right? And similarly, I can create another class. Let me say daughter, which also inherits from the father, and since daughter is also a child class now, so daughter also inherits all the properties and all the functions from the father class, right? So if I say pass, it doesn't do anything, right? So now if I run the code, nothing will happen, right? Okay, first let me just see what is here in the folder. Okay, so okay, inheritance, awesome, nothing happens. Why nothing happens? Because we haven't done anything, right? We haven't called the classes, or we haven't called anything, right? So let me just call now. So let me just say son.smack you, right? And now since, like, see, the son class doesn't have any function called smack you, but since it inherits from its father class, it recognizes this function, right? So son class inherits son.smack you, and now if I run the code, it will print this thing, right? It should print this thing, and it does, right? And now see, it does. And now similarly, if I say daughter love you princess function, it should print this thing, right? And it does, right? And now the powerful effect of inheritance is that all you have to do is you can just modify here, and they will all understand that. So you can introduce a condition that you will not get an iPhone unless you score 90, right? 90%. And then you can say you can introduce another condition, you get whatever you want if you promise to come back home by 10, right? Okay, so now I have introduced these two conditions here. I just made some modification and they will recognize. I don't have to explicitly define here, right? So now if I run the code, they all feel that effect, and this just goes on to show the power of inheritance. You can do it to build like really like you don't have to explicitly define, and this is basically the main concept of inheritance in Python. And that's all for this video. See you next time. Bye.